So lately we've been adding a lot of stuff to our recovery gear. We like to take our doors off a lot. The recovery gear, we have a action packer in the very back, but it would be nice to have something that we could lock so that when we do have our doors off and our top off, we don't have to worry about any of our belongings being stolen or anything like that.
Well, we've got a lot of gear back there. I mean, we keep recovery ropes, or kinetic rope, recovery straps, tree savers. There's a lot that we keep back there. So having something to lock that stuff up makes a lot of sense. I think it's definitely secure. I mean, you're not gonna get in there and get any more gear out of the back of it. I don't see a quicker product out here to be able to lock your stuff up with. That's for sure.
Lifting it up, pulling it over, and locking it super quick.
Yeah, and it's definitely sturdy. I mean, you're not breaking into it.